Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two freelancing platforms that often come up in discussions, Fiverr versus Guru.com. Whether you're a freelancer deciding where to build your career or a client trying to find the right talent, this video will help you understand the major differences. And before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more freelancing tips and online work guides. Let's begin with Fiverr. Fiverr is a gig-based marketplace where freelancers create services called gigs, and clients purchase them instantly. It's fast, flexible, and great for creative, technical, and digital services. Fiverr works best if you want multiple clients, project-based work, and the ability to set prices according to different packages. It's also beginner-friendly because buyers find you through search, giving you opportunities even without applying to jobs manually. Now, let's talk about Guru.com. Guru is a traditional freelancing platform where clients post job listings and freelancers send proposals. It focuses heavily on professional, long-term, and specialized work. Guru attracts clients looking for web developers, engineers, designers, writers, consultants, and other technical experts. Instead of gig packages, you bid on projects and compete through proposals, skills, and experience. It's a great platform if you prefer sending customized offers and building deeper working relationships with clients. Now for the comparison. Fiverr is excellent for freelancers who want quick, on-demand projects and full control over how they present their services. It's ideal for creatives, editors, voiceover artists, designers, and digital marketers. Guru.com, on the other hand, is better for freelancers who want project-based contracts, long-term collaborations, and higher value specialized work. Guru's clients often look for experts rather than quick services, so strong portfolios and experience matter more. Another key difference is how clients find you. On Fiverr, buyers come to your gig through search results, so optimizing your title, tags, and images is important. On Guru.com, the main focus is applying to job posts and sending competitive proposals. Fiverr feels more automated. Guru feels more traditional and relationship driven. So, which one should you choose? If you're just starting out, want flexibility, and prefer clients coming to you, Fiverr is a great choice. But if you're experienced, highly skilled, and comfortable sending proposals for higher paying work, Guru.com can be a better fit. Many freelancers even use both platforms to maximize their opportunities. If this breakdown helped you decide, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more freelancing tips, comparisons, and content to help you grow your online career. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.